Thank you for joining me for part 2 of my Insta360 Go 2 series. In this video, I'll go over setup, use, and a review of the Insta360 Go 2. Setup and linking to the app is fairly straightforward. Before we begin, insert the camera into the case and plug it in to charge to 100%. While it is charging, download the Insta360 app. Open your Insta360 Go case. The screen will show "Press to connect" in a variety of languages. Press the white button. This connects the case to the camera. Open your Insta360 Go app. Press the yellow camera button, bottom center. The first time you connect, the app will state the first connection must be confirmed on camera screen. You will be prompted with a notification on your Go case to link app. Press the record button to accept. You will be prompted to allow connection via Wi-Fi network by your phone. Press join. Your camera is now connected to your phone app. You will open up a live view of your camera. You will notice in this mode, your Go case states View in App. This mode allows you to line up your shots and adjust all settings you had access to through the case. Now let's go over the camera while in the case. Top left shows you the battery level of the case. Top right shows you the battery level of the camera. It also displays how much of the internal memory is remaining. The camera has 32 gigabytes, but only 28 gigabytes is available for use. While in the case, you can cycle through various modes to find the one that works for your shooting situation. These include video, which is your normal default video mode, up to 2560 by 1440. Photo. The photos are 9 megapixels and look good. Pro video. I use this mode the most as it stabilizes your shots. Time shift. Time lapse. HDR video. Slow-mo, and the settings option. Press and hold the record button to change the specific settings of a record mode. Press mode to scroll and record to select. You can change the aspect ratio, the resolution, the frames per second or FPS, the field of view, and the color profile. When complete, select done at the bottom of the menu and hit the record button. Under settings, you'll find wind reduction, anti-flicker, auto standby, which you can set from 180, 120, and 80, bitrate. Here I suggest always leaving it at high for better image quality. You can also turn off the LED lights. This is useful when filming through glass. Format is used to reformat the memory and a master reset of all settings. The case has 1/4-inch thread, so you can attach it to a tripod or a selfie stick. Let's go over when you have the camera outside the case. Open the Insta360 app and press the camera icon bottom center of the screen. Once connected, click the cog settings icon on the bottom right of the screen, then button settings. Here, you will set up a quick capture options. This tells the camera what you want it to do depending on the mode it is currently in. Quick capture is when the camera is off and the button is hit. Quick Capture 2 is when you double press the button when the camera is off. Single press is when the camera is already on or active. Double press is when you double press when the camera is on or active. You can set the record mode, the resolution, the aspect ratio, and the record duration time. I recommend setting every button to the same capture mode. This eliminates confusion and mistakes. There is nothing worse than thinking you are recording in a certain format only to find out when you get ready to edit that you are not. I set all options to Pro mode, 1440p, 16:9 with a 30-minute duration. The last way you can shoot with the camera is while using the app. This allows you to have a viewfinder mode and line up your shots. The Insta360 Go 2 is a fun and convenient camera. I really enjoyed using it over the last few weeks. I find myself using it for multiple projects, whether it's to catch a unique shot on the outside of my Tesla as I'm driving down the road, or cutting up food for a food review. It's amazing the technology they've managed to squeeze into such a small camera. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.